Primpin first, so I'm like, oh, okay, Big Primpin over here. Okay, I see you, Morphe. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So as you've seen by the title, I'm going to be reviewing a Morphe palette. The Morphe palette I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is the 35X Big Primpin. Okay, Primpin, not Pimpin. I thought it said Primpin first, so I'm like, oh, okay, Big Primpin over here. Okay, I see you, Morphe. But no, it's Big Primpin, and this came out not too long ago. This is a pretty new palette that they came out with, and what attracted me was the packaging. Let me tell you guys, the packaging is everything. You guys know I love me some baby pink, and like this type of color to pink, you know. This is the 35X Big Primpin Artistry Palette, so this would be perfect if you're a makeup artist too. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys my first impressions of my first Morphe palette and show you guys how the colors are and everything like that. So on the back of this palette here, it just says take that glam all the way with this stunning lineup of shades that are equal parts naughty and nice, because this is like from their like holiday collection. Obviously you don't have to use it just for the holidays. From grand glimmers to mighty mattes, your total wearable looks definitely know how to whoa this big season. This is in Spanish too. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. And one thing I can say off the bat is that I love how they put the names of the eyeshadows right underneath them, because that is so helpful, especially if you're like filming makeup tutorials or anything like that. Like you just want to have the names right there, not on the plastic, not on the back or underneath. No, we want it right under the eyeshadows. So yeah, this is perfect for that. Like, oh my gosh, this is literally gorgeous. So I'm just gonna swatch this first row, then the second and third and so on. So I'm just gonna start off with this one right here. So this is Power On, and it's the first color of the palette. Looks like that. This one is Make It Pop, and I just love how pigment this is. I feel like most of their shimmer eyeshadows are going to be really creamy like this. Then I'm going to prep work, and looks like that's pretty light. You can layer it. I just put a second layer. So this is prep work, Eyes Wide Strut, and it's just this really light pink shimmery eyeshadow. This one right here. Already. Double Take, and it's just this matte one, another matte one next to Already. Pretty pigmented, and I did layer it twice, so this is what it looks like twice and one time of me using Already. Then lastly, for this first row, I have Freshen Up, and it's just this matte, very light orange looking color. This one is Born to Stun, and I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's just this gold, well, light gold shade. It's looking rose gold for some reason, but this is a light gold shade. This is Glam Room, and it's kind of like Power On, but it's more on the peachier side. It's not that pigmented, but let me put it on a second time. Okay, so now it's more pigmented, and at least it can layer up instead of just like not messing up the second time you put a second layer on. And this one's really intense. This is Chic Yeah, and I really like this one, so let me just, ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I hope the camera's picking up. Please pick up. So I turned my brightness down, but yeah, this is Chic Yeah, and it's really like a mix of gold and pink. Like, I don't know, I really like this shade though. Next I have Grab Attention, and it looks like that. So ooh, this is really pigmented. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. Now my camera wants to focus on the colors more, But yeah, the last one that I swatched right here is called Grab Attention. And this next one that I have is another shimmer, and it's called Big Pretty. I'm gonna put it right under this one. It's not that pigmented, but it is a really pretty color. And we have Beauty Secret, and it's just a matte orangey looking color, but it's not like legit orange. It's like an orange mixed with a brown. So it looks like that. All the product that I'm putting on my finger, it's easily coming on to my arm, so I feel like that just shows that it's gonna be easy for me to blend. We'll see about that in a sec. Then the last color for the second row is called Grand Entrance, and it just, let me be careful. Let me put it right here. It's like a very light goldy yellowy color. Like, I don't know, these colors are really different. Like, I don't know how to describe them. Now we're on the third row, and I'm going to be swatching Super Smiz, Live Large, Mirror Check, Very Merry, Going Somewhere, Boom Out, Blink to Life. And I really love the names of these colors because it's just really giving, for real. Super Smiz, let's see how you swatch. This is what she looks like. Ooh, she's very pretty. So Super Smiz looks just like that. Live Large, this is another shimmer shade. It kind of looks like Super Smiz, but more darker. And I swatched it twice, so yeah, that's what that looks like. And we have a matte, and this is called Mirror Check. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this is really nice. We have Very Merry, which is a shimmer shade. It's definitely a very light, shimmery type of pink. So it's right here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's what that one looks like. Going Somewhere, and it's like a very, it's not that light actually, you can layer it up, but it's like a light brown, and I like that one. Boom Out, this is like a orange color. This is definitely giving more of an orange. So these colors are kind of the same, but this is more on the red tone and this is more on the orange tone. Blink to Life, and it's just a shimmery color, and it's very pigmented looking. Ooh, this one's nice. Okay, so ooh, she is very fierce, very fierce. So this is what that one looks like. It's reminding me of like a metallic color actually. Vanity Hour, I'm gonna swatch, and woo, this is pigmented, really pigmented. So I definitely like that color. This is Major, so ooh, pretty. Another pigmented color. Ooh, and this color right here is Volume Up. It's really pretty. But this name is different. Okay, so this one is called Megawatt Hot. Okay, that's different. And ooh, a pretty metallic color. Okay, actually that color low-key reminds me of one of them that I swatched already. Kind of reminds me of Blink to Life. Let's see how they look together. So okay, this one is more on the red, this one's more on the orange. So yeah, that's Blink to Life from the last color on the third palette. On the third row of this palette. And this is the fourth color right here on the fourth row of this palette. It's so gorge. And it's a matte, and ooh, it's pigmented. Okay, this one's really nice. It's more on the reddish side too. Wowza. And ooh, okay. Actually, Wowza and Mega Hot look kind of similar, and same thing with Blink to Life, but they're just like different tones, I should say. They're definitely different tones. The last color for the fourth row is called Total Inspo. Looks like that. Then it's alright. Let me do another. Okay, yeah. So that's Buildable 2. And it's more on like the burgundy brown type of side, and I don't know if you guys could tell, but it gets lighter from the top and darker towards the bottom, so that's really good. They're not like scattered all over the place. And for this last row, this is what it looks like. Really pretty dark colors, besides like 3 of them. A lot of the dark colors are more up like towards the bottom right here in this corner. But yeah, I'm not disappointed at all, like seriously, because this palette right here, you guys are definitely going to be seeing me use a lot. But yeah, let me just get started for the last row. So let me actually wipe off my pinky, because oh my gosh, that's pigmented. All Luxe, and she looks like, ooh, she looks like this. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. This is All Luxe. This name is so funny. This one is called Badunka Bling. Badunka Bling. See, they should have named it Big Primpin, because it's giving me Big Primpin. Badunka Bling looks like this. So let's see how she looks. Oh my gosh, look at her. Wow, she's really okay, like this is really, oh, I love the pigmentation. Now we have Epic Edge, and this is a matte color. And oh, this is so nice. Oh, she is so pretty. Like, she's a little bit on the not as pigmented, but this is a really nice brown, very dark purple like color, but it's not really purple. It's giving like a tint of purple, but more on the brown. But yeah, that one is called Epic Edge, and this other shimmery color is called Shazam, and I feel like she's really gonna pop. Ooh, okay, she's not okay, she didn't pop as much, but she's definitely popping for real. These kind of look the same, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I've seen like 4 different shades of this, but just like with different colored tones. But I ain't mad, like this is really nice so far. So actually we have 3 more colors left, and the rest are matte. And the next one I'm going to swatch is Places to Woe. Let's see how she is. It's kind of reminding me of Epic Edge. Next is Matte Max, and okay, not that pigmented, but they are buildable. So this one is like, yeah, this one's more of a light purple mixed with brown type of shade, more than this one. So they're like all in the same family but different tones, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's that one. Then last but certainly not least, we have Smoke Show, and oh yeah, that one, yeah, that was the big boom right there, okay? Because this one is so much more pigmented. It's a little bit chalky, just a little bit, but this one is really nice. And that's literally all the colors that I swatched from the 35X Big Primpin palette from Morphe. And now I'm just going to show you guys an eye makeup tutorial with me using this palette. And as you can see, I already have like my face done and just not my eyes. So now we're just going to see how these colors work on the eyes.